This is how I get my hair to look like this. Welcome back to my channel. I look crazy, but okay, so as you can tell, we're doing hair today. I need a retwist on my hair, but I didn't want to just do like a normal retwist. I want to do retwist and do my Marley twists that I usually do. But yeah, so this time, since I have starter locks, obviously I'm gonna put it on top of them, and I've done like this half and they look pretty decent. So now we're gonna do this half. It didn't take that long because my hair's already parted, so that's pretty good. I'm using this mix that I made myself. It's just water and aloe vera. I don't think you're supposed to put the green stuff in there, but I put it in there and then I put it in the blender. So I mean, I don't think it's bad for you. What I've been doing is I spray my hair with it, and then I use this molding gel wax to kind of hold my hair together so that it looks all nice and neat, and then I twist it up. So I'm gonna show you with this rope. I have a mirror here, so I'm gonna put my hair to the side. So I'm just gonna spray it. Okay, then I'm gonna section each lock. So like that. Okay. And then I grab some molding gel wax. Put this in the middle and then twist like so, and then start braiding. When I get to this bump, then I twist. I only use one because I don't want it heavy. See, it's pretty light, like pretty light. One strand of hair, of Marley hair, and I hold it like this, yeah, hold it like that, and then grip it and put that hair through, like my hair, and then put this like that. And then I twist this, twist it like that. So it's like this, and I twist it like that. And then I start braiding like a normal plait. Until I've done like 5 plaits, and then I start twisting. But I mix one of the Marley with my hair, and then I twist together. I feel like it's so hard to do a tutorial because like I have to keep zooming and doing stuff, and I'm not professional. So sorry if it's not detailed. But yeah, I'm gonna speed this up. When I get to like this section, then I'll show it properly. Now I'm gonna do the last bit. Just that one. This is what the hair looks like.